welcome back to my channel. Because personal links gets me less kiki, and today we are going to make spaghetti stir-fried chicken. Yes, it's a very simple recipe, very easy way to spice up your basic pasta recipes. Yes, and you can substitute the pasta or even the chicken with another protein that you like. And without further talking, let's get on to the video.
I don't even know what day it is, I don't even know the time, but these seconds are irrelevant when you're by my side. There's something about your body, babe, I could sip it on ice, but I can never get enough of you. I'll be wasted for life. Ooh, yeah, everyone been going through it, wondering what do we do it, baby, when you're falling, you can lean on me, when you don't feel strong, when you don't believe, baby, let me love, I won't ever leave, promise when you're falling, you can lean on me, you can lean on me, stay forever, you can lean on me, if you stay forever, you can lean on me.
I don't even got a lot to give you, so will it be enough? Will you love me through the hell of it, when the battle's rough? Been waiting on the moment, yeah, like when's it gonna come? Cause in the middle of the everything, you're the only one, yeah.
Oh yeah, everyone been going through it, wondering what do we do it, baby, when you're falling, you can lean on me, when you don't feel strong, when you don't believe, baby, let me love, I won't ever leave, promise when you're falling, you can lean on me, baby, when you're falling, you can lean on me, when you don't feel strong, when you don't believe, baby, let me love, I won't ever leave, promise when you're falling, you can lean on me, you can lean on me, stay forever, you can lean on me, if you stay forever, you can lean on me, stay forever, you can lean on me, if you stay forever, you can lean on me, stay forever, you can lean on me, if you stay forever, you can lean on me, stay forever, you can lean on me, if you stay forever, you can lean on me.
I haven't always been this way. I wasn't born a renegade. I felt alone, still feel afraid. I stumble through it anyway. I wish someone would have told me that this life is ours to choose. No one's handing you the keys or a book with all the rules. The little that I know I'll tell you. When they dress you up in lies and you're left naked with the truth, you throw your head back and you spin in the wind. Let the walls crack, cause it lets the light in. Let them drag you through hell. They can't tell you to change who you are. That's all I know so far. And when the storm's out, you run in the rain. Put your sword down, dive right into the pain. Stay unfiltered and loud. You'll be proud of that skin full of scars. That's all I know so far. That's all I know so far. So you might give yourself away, yeah, and pay full price for each mistake. But when the candy coating hides the razor blade, you can cut yourself loose and use that rage. I wish someone would have told me that this darkness comes and goes. People will blows up. Yes. Up and down and through till the world blows up. Yeah, yeah. When it's right or it's all fucked up, till the world blows up, till the world blows up, and we will be enough. And until the world blows up, just throw your head back and spit in the wind. Let the walls crack, 'cause it lets the light in. Let them drag you through hell. They can't tell you to change who you are. And when the storm's out, you run in the rain. Put your sword down.
Yum, yum, yum. That spaghetti was so good. It's so yummy. I love the color from the soy sauce. I love the color from the bell peppers. You can also add carrots and any other vegetables, crunchy vegetables, to your recipe, and it will work really well. You can even swap the spaghetti for other pastas, and I would love to see what you come up with. And for this and more videos, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to be kind to each other.
Excuse me. I beg you. You keep quiet. Oh, accident. No, stop it. Stop.